To protect and conserve forest, you must be physically fit in walking and running. Those who are entering our forest to deforestate, they are physically fit, and a soldier must be physically fit so that they can match them, they can arrest them and prosecute them.
Nimekimbia 25 kilometers. Nasema nimejaribu because hiyo ndio imekuwa the longest nimekimbia so far.
We have also different activities. We are planting trees for the conservation of our environment.
Na tumehamasisha jamii mzima kuhusu hiyo kutunza mazingira kwa sababu tumepanda miti, na pia tumemarket Diani kama tourist destination kupitia kutembea kwetu kwa beaches na easy attractions zingine.